In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel EA Play subscription on Steam. If you've been trying EA Play through Steam and decided it's time to stop the recurring charges, I'll walk you through the exact path in the Steam client so you can turn off auto-renewal cleanly. Canceling on Steam stops future billing but doesn't immediately remove your current benefits, so you'll keep access until the end of your current billing period. Start by opening Steam and signing in to the account that has the active EA Play subscription. If you use more than one Steam account, make sure you're in the right one so you're managing the correct subscription. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of Steam and click your username. From the drop-down, choose Account Details. This takes you to your account overview, where you can manage purchases, payment methods, and subscriptions tied to your Steam wallet. Scroll down to the section labeled Store Purchase History, and click Manage Subscriptions. This page lists all active recurring subscriptions linked to your Steam account, including monthly and annual plans. Find EA Play in the list. It might appear as EA Play 12-month recurring if you're on a yearly plan, or simply as the monthly plan. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct entry by checking the plan name and the next billing date shown alongside it. Next, click Edit next to EA Play. In the options that appear, choose Cancel My Subscription. Steam will confirm what canceling means, essentially turning off auto-renew so you won't be charged again. To finalize, click Apply. After you apply the change, you should see a confirmation that the cancellation was successful. Your status will reflect that auto-renew is disabled, and you'll retain access until your current period ends. If the page doesn't immediately show the updated status, refresh the page to see the change. And if you change your mind before your next billing date, you can reverse the cancellation. Just return to Manage Subscriptions, click Edit next to EA Play again, and re-enable the subscription before the renewal date. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.